Shraddha Das looks beautiful in pastel green organza sari. She was opted the pastel-hued green organza sari from the brand Paprika store and we loved the way she styled her look. The pastel green organza sari has the bold floral hand painted in red all over the sari and the shades of green and black enhanced look of the sari still further, and it has a decent pearl embellishment all over paired with matching plain elbow-length sleeve silk blouse. She has accessorized her look with a sari matching beads choker and earrings by Blingveen. And her look was finally rounded with loose hair, pink lips, blushed cheeks and neat eyeliner. She looked nice. Shraddha Das is a total stunner in this gorgeous floral sari. The sari is micro-pleated and detailed with multicolored floral prints. In fact, the hues vary from dark colors like yellow and green to light colors like pink. Showcased with glittery sequins, the sari is perfect party wear. She paired it with a green bikini blouse with no prints or embellishments. Her jewel choices included a pair of stone-studded ear cuffs by Funky Maharani. We also loved her pair of beige sandals. A low-tied messy bun with kohl-rimmed eyes and pink lips complemented the look. She looks perfect in half sari and she knows that better than any of us. She also knows where exactly the half sari has to be tucked in. By the virtue of her height, she hardly gets a sari or a skirt that can cover her navel. So, there is no other way for her than leaving that to the eyes of her connoisseurs. Draping a blue-colored half sari with a green-colored blouse, she looks stunning and teases the senses of her fans. Shraddha Das is looking amazing in a black blouse and a designer black sari, and boasting her body from every side, Shraddha Das bulldozes the hearts of millions of onlookers. This heavenly sari blast makes her look like a damsel from the skies. The black sari complemented her glowing luscious fair skin. The electrifying smile with a magnetic aura, she loots the senses of myriads. It is needless to say that she puts a test to the peace of men and envy of women. This can be called the best sari clad ever in recent times. The pictures are making her fans mad, going viral on the social media circuit. In fact, Shraddha is the only lady who looks voluptuous and perfect, be it in a sari or two-piece bikini. Shraddha Das's sari has a very hot look. Shraddha is looking very hot and bold in sari. She has posed in different poses in sari. Shraddha loves wearing saris. Shraddha is often seen in a sari look. Actress Shraddha Das, known for her glam looks, not the boldness of Shraddha Das in sari, but people of simplicity have become crazy. This time the actress has made people crazy in her simple style. Fans have also lost their heart on her. Shraddha Das is wooing everyone in her desi look in sari. The actress is known for her bold look. Her boldness on screen not only makes people clean bold, but also in real life she leaves no stone unturned. Recently, the bold beauty posed for a photo shoot alongside a beach in Goa that turned out to be one of her sexiest photo shoots to date. People are talking about these photos and the stunning Goan scenery. Besides movies, Shraddha Das is also a famous model. Beauty treats her fans by sharing sexy photos from eye-popping photo sessions. Shraddha shared a series of pictures clad in an orange bra with white shorts, and she is winning hearts with her glamorous avatar. Recently she has attended the High Life Exhibition 22 and she was opted the lime green sari, and we loved the way she styled her look. If we have deep glance of sari, this is one of the perfect way to opt for the parties, as the sari is teamed with designer blouse in a unique way. The beautiful lime green sari has contrast gold floral motifs with blue hues all over the body that has gold zari border which enhanced the sari look still further, and it was paired with white pearl studded blouse with deep neck which was the perfect match to the sari. She has accessorized her look with a pair of green earrings and ring, and her look was finally rounded with low bun, pink lips and dusk makeup. She looked good. Shraddha Das stills in lime green handwoven pure Chanderi sari with silver zari motifs from mint and oranges. Styled by Avani Pratap Gumbar. Shraddha Das charming looks in floral red sari. Shraddha Das latest beautiful photo shoot in sari. Shraddha Das knows how to have fun with saris. Gorgeous Shraddha Das in low cut back red sari. Shraddha Das red floral printed sari with an off-shoulder blouse on the rose day. Shraddha has kept her hair open and with some light makeup. Actress Shraddha Das shared beautiful pictures of her in a stunning sari look. Beautiful actress Shraddha Das lavender organza sari. Sari by Lavanya the label. Actress Shraddha Das glam sari look goes viral on Instagram. Shraddha Das had a photo shoot in a purple sari. Shraddha Das is looking damn hot and stunning in a purple stylish sari. Photo shoot. Shraddha Das latest beautiful photo shoot in sari. Actress Shraddha Das latest crazy photo shoot. The actress shared a series of pictures clad in a bikini and she is winning hearts with her glamorous avatar. Shraddha wore an orange and black subtle design and corset pattern bikini set. The timeless look proves to be equally flattering as these triangular color block bikinis are on trend. Life is short, buy the bikini, wrote Shraddha, and we couldn't agree more as she enjoys a little burst of joy with this extra pop of color. These pictures were taken in a Goa resort, where the actress is currently holidaying. Shraddha further added an easy breezy shrug over the two-piece, adding umph to the alluring pool fashion. Not to mention, the sunglasses and a stylish bikini are always a flattering combo. Shraddha Das is an accomplished artist in this regard. Shraddha knows how to sizzle in this outfit. She wore a purple Banarasi sari for an event and her photos have gone viral. The actress wore a gleaming and bright violet sari with a silver border and motifs on it. However, her unique patterned blouse steals our attention as Shraddha totally aced a string white satin blouse in style. Its low-cut neckline and perfect fit accentuated Shraddha's look. She also added bling to her already stunning look with pretty earrings. The actress left her tresses cascading down her shoulders. Actresses in saris always look gorgeous. She managed to secure a lot of fans due to her tremendous looks. Dressed in a sky blue sari and a white blouse, the glamorous dive looks amazing and teases the viewer with her titillating skin show. She lures your attention by flaunting her slender waist, and those sumptuous curves are definitely taking the temperatures to a whole new level. Fans are loving this splendid show in saris from Shraddha Das and filling the comment section with praises for her flawless beauty. Shraddha Das is a pretty doll in these beautiful petal pink sari. Shraddha Das looks jaw-dropping in a beautiful peach color sari, and she paired the look with a heavy embellished silver blouse. The actress flaunted her perfect curves and charm like a pro. Her poses are also worth admiring. Shraddha Das often treats her fans with sensuous and erotic pictures on social media. The actress wore a sari in a style that's drool-worthy and the pics are going viral like never before. She is seen clad in a white and green shade sari, paired with a bottle green blouse. With the bindi and earrings, Shraddha's look is quite enticing and unmissable. Shraddha Das wearing baby blue color double-shaded stunning sequin sari from Sri Krishna Silks for Dear 2021. She was snapped in beautiful blue sequin work all over the sari, paired with solid blue sleeveless blouse by Sri Krishna Silks, and she has accessorized her look with pair of diamond jhumkas, and her look was finished with wristwatch, dewy makeup, loose hair and pink lips. Shraddha Das sexy clad in a shimmery brown sari and embellishing the look with some smoky eye makeup and flowy hair. Shraddha Das is simply a sight to behold. Carrying the beautiful ethnic ensemble with elan. Shraddha Das never fails to surprise her fans, and her Instagram timeline shows the actress is a stunner, especially in her breathtakingly beautiful sari pictures. Shraddha Das knows how to keep her fans glued to her updates. She posted a bunch of sizzling sari drape pics that make us wanting for more. The actress looks pretty in a printed sari paired with a pink blouse. As always, her voluminous hair grabs the spotlight. Her latest look for the show has her wearing a black organza sari by Moresha. The sari is beautified with red roses all over. In fact, it is also punctuated with sequins in white on these motifs. It also has a lace-detailed cutwork hem that elevated the look. She paired the sari with an off-shoulder black blouse, sharing the intricacies of the sari with a sequin bustier. We loved how she opted for minimal accessories like a pair of emerald-studded earrings and a ring by Shilpa Puri designer jewelry. A wavy hairdo with blushed cheeks, winged eyes and nude lips accentuated her beauty. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.